phone adapter, headphone jack, and charging cable. Ito yung mga ginagamit natin sa pag-stream ng mga mobile games online. Hello mga moms, this is M&B. I'm a streamer, content creator, one of the trainees of Amplify Academy. If you are interested in mobile gaming, music, and tech, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we also have Facebook page at M&B Official. Don't forget to like and follow and tune in to our live stream every Monday to Friday, 9 PM at M&B Official. So yun guys, the first item that we are using in streaming is our phone, of course. This is the Xiaomi Mi 8 Black variant, a flagship phone from 2018. So medyo outdated na siya, pero goods na goods pa din naman yung kanyang performance with Snapdragon 845 sa mga titles na nilalaro natin now, such as Wild Rift, New State Mobile, Apex Legends Mobile, TFT, at marami pang iba. Again, laro lang ang nilalaro ha. So basically, with the phone itself, pwedeng tayo mag-stream. Pero dahil nag-stream tayo sa PC, we have the following accessories that we use as well. Ito ang Type-C adapter with audio charging capabilities. Kasi nga yung phone natin, wala na siyang headphone jack. And 2-in-1 na siya. Kumbaga, ito na yung charging cable niya and also the audio output. Then we have the audio jack from Ugreen as well, and also the charging cable from Ugreen pa din. Pan yan. So lahat ng to guys, plug and play lang to. Susundutin mo lang, sundot lang, susundot mo lang dito, at pag sundutin mo lang sila. Yun, makakalaro ka na. Pero kung gusto mo ng specific guide kung paano makapag-stream using the phone only or with PC, bigyan natin ang video na to na 100 likes. Gagawin natin yan sa next video. Sana. Promise. Actually mga mamser, kahit wala yung mga accessories na nabanggit ko nung huli, pwede ka pa rin makapag-stream using the mobile broadcasting app such as Omelette, Turnip, Streamlabs, and many more. Again mga mamser, kung nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, don't forget to like and share to your friends and to your family. And also, subscribe na rin kayo sa ating YouTube channel at M&B Official. We also have our Facebook page and we are streaming every Monday to Friday, 9 PM. We also have Twitter, TikTok, and also Instagram at M&B Official pa din. So, hanggang sa muli mga momser, see you in the next video.